What's up guys, we've just received some goodies from the UK that we're unboxing, and let's have a look what we have got. This is for T6 with the T6.1 style tail light, and we did this in a cherry red. Note these units are full plug and play kits. That's it on the one. Cool. Let's grab into these. They are nicely air sealed. We did the black option here, DRL for the T6.1. Again, plug and play solution to your car. And there's the other side, and they are full LED. And they are made for right hand drive. So T6.1 style tail light for T6, T6 headlights, full LED, plug and play, ready to go.